Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanie and I am the blogger behind simplelivingmama.com. In today's video, I thought I would give you guys a little peek at my current haul for our new baby girl. I am 30 weeks pregnant. She is growing, and I am running out of room in my belly, but I have a feeling I'm gonna have another big baby. I'm guessing she's probably going to be near 10 pounds like my second daughter was. So we'll see. That's just how she feels right now. So I'm practically starting all over with baby girl's clothes. I have a little bit, just a little bit from my last baby girl who is now 4. But I still don't have a whole lot of stuff. So what I've done is I have purchased several different things from Amazon as well as Walmart, and I wanted to show you guys what I got because it's all really cute. So let's just go ahead and jump into this haul. Okay, so here's a look at what I got going on in here. Now, this crib was my son's crib. He is no longer sleeping in this crib. He has a toddler bed in the boys' room, so I've just been piling it up with stuff. I will change out crib sheets and everything once I get all of our stuff washed. One of the bigger purchases that I did make for the baby was this Fisher-Price Rock With Me bassinet. So for my last 3 babies, actually, I had the Rock and Play, and I know they don't make that anymore. I really liked it. We got rid of it, so I don't have it anymore. I don't have my old one. So I went on ahead and I bought this one. It is in the, let's see, I think it's like pebble print. So it's blue, but it has some pinks in it as well, and it's really cute. And it's portable and lightweight, something that I can move around the house if I need to. So that is one of the bigger things that I have purchased for the baby. This cute little bunny was given to us. We got a diaper cake from some people that my husband works with, and that was included in the diaper cake, so that's super cute. I got this bath seat. I think this is an Angel Care bath seat. Let's see. I don't see it right off. But I got this one from Amazon, and I don't really care to have like a whole baby bathtub. Just having something that they can comfortably lay in while in the regular bathtub is fine with me. So that is going to be her bath seat. She has some cute little wiggle-proof socks with unicorns and rainbows and polka dots. Okay, so I think this is all like blankets and bedding and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this. I love these muslin swaddle blankets. So we have this one that has the flamingos and the pineapples on it. I do have a couple of these actually left over from my last baby as well. They're packed away in my bed, so she will have lots of little muslin swaddle blankets. Here's another one. This one's very gender neutral. Let's see. Submarines and stuff. Okay, and this is a cute print. I got lots of things in this print. This print is at Walmart. It's their Gerber Modern Moments print. I'm loving floral for her. So a lot of her stuff you're gonna see is floral. So this is just the blanket that goes with that set. This one actually came from Amazon, and this is gonna be like her main crib blanket when she gets older and she can use a crib blanket. This is minky, so it's super soft, and it's just a gorgeous print. I love that. Here's just another blanket that was given to us for her. This is that same minky material from the same company that made the other blanket, except this is for my boppy, so it's just a boppy cover. So all that will match. This is also crib sheets from that same company. It's called Kids and Such. I'll have it linked down below if you're interested. But it came with 2 crib sheets. So when I get those washed up and get her crib ready, we will put those sheets on there. I'm really excited about this, and I'll show it to you guys here in a minute. It's going to be my backpack diaper bag. Okay, so let's get over here to some of these clothes. Now, we have the Modern Moments headband. Some of this stuff was from my last baby girl, so those are from my last baby girl. We've got some little baby mitts. Those came with our diaper cake. And then some of these bibs came with our diaper cake as well, so she has plenty of bibs. Simply adorable. And then this cute little print. And then this bluish greenish color. Okay, here's another bib from that Modern Moments collection. And then another one. And then some socks from that same collection as well. Okay, and I love using baby gowns for the first few weeks. So we have this super cute baby gown that says love you on it with some mitts and a hat. So that is cute. And then we have, I purchased this one off Amazon. This is a knot gown. I've never used a knot gown before, but I really liked the print. So we got that one with her matching headband right here. This is an outfit that my Nana found that she just loved. It's another little gown, but it's so cute. It has this little rosettes down here at the bottom, and then a hat to match it. So she's gonna be all set up with the gowns. I love these little dresses with the cardigans. So this is one of her other outfits. The flowers and a little light pink cardigan. Oh, and it also comes with a headband, so that's very adorable. Here's another one, another gown with a hat. This one says little sister on it. Sorry about the shadow. Okay, and then I've got several more gowns here. So we got this little black and white striped one. This one has gold and roses and pinks. So pretty. This one says dream come true. She's gonna be rocking a new outfit every day. And then here is a larger gown. It's just a pink gown that she'll be able to wear a little bit longer than the other ones. And I don't have any newborn stuff here. I've got 0 to 3. I have only had one baby that has ever been able to actually wear newborn clothes coming home. And he was 7 pounds, 11 ounces at birth. By far my tiniest baby. I don't expect this baby to be that small. So if she is, I will be shocked. Okay, so we have some more onesies. We have Best Smile Ever. Cute little yellow one that has hearts and flowers on it. And then here's another flowery onesie. So those are 0 to 3. Okay, and here are those Modern Moments ones again. And this organic cotton is so soft. So here's this color, and then the roses. And then, okay, apparently those are separate, not together. Okay, this one, this is so cute, the little bottoms, adorable. Okay, here's another one that has leaves. some pants to go with this onesie. Like some little coveralls in this. This is like a mauve color. Oh, and I love this one. I love the ruffle on this with the gorgeous rose print. Okay, some more pants. Here's another one with a ruffle. And then another little onesie set. Love is all you need, with a hat and little tutu pants. That's so cute. So anyways, I'm getting excited. I love baby stuff, and I love baby girl stuff, and I love all of the flower stuff that I got. So this is going to be my diaper bag. I really wanted to try a backpack diaper bag this time, just to kind of help save my one shoulder that I've been carrying everything on for the last 12 years of motherhood. I found this one on Amazon. It was only $30, and it is a lot better quality than I thought it was gonna be. So it has a pocket right here with, you know, you could put, I guess, bottles in here or whatever. So there's a front pocket there. There's a little zipper pocket here you could slide your phone into. Yeah, I think my phone would fit in there okay. And then, of course, on the sides, more storage, 4 bottles or whatever on both sides. It is super thick and heavy duty. All right. Okay, so let's take a little look inside. We have changing pad, another little like bottle holder, I guess, or whatever you want to use it for. Comes with one of these. I guess you could use this to like latch it onto a stroller or something. And then we've got a pocket here, a pocket here, 2 more pockets here, and then a zipper pouch here. Cute. And then another zipper pouch that goes with what is on the back here. So here's the handle. Here are the straps. And then this is probably where the, ooh, that's neat. Just a little opening into the actual backpack. And then whatever that is there for, I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, yeah, I was really impressed with this, and I am going to be really excited to use this for the new baby and the stuff that I'm still toting around from my toddler, which isn't a whole lot, but it is a little bit. Okay, you guys, so that's what I've gotten so far. I've got to get all that stuff washed up and put away. I've started working on our little nursery nook here in my bedroom. As you can see, I still have stuff up that was for my little boy. I'm going to work on redoing my boy's room after the baby comes. So a lot of the stuff that's on the wall in here is going to get moved into my boy's room, but just haven't gotten there yet. I haven't gotten it all taken down and put together yet, but I have really learned over the last 12 years that I don't need nearly as much stuff for the new baby as I thought that I did. I still have, you know, you need the diapers and the burp cloths, and I don't really bottle feed, but I did get a breast pump this time through my insurance. I'm gonna see how it goes. I've never been really successful with pumping. It's just always been easier for me to actually just feed my baby, even though that makes it harder on me because then nobody else can feed the baby, but that's just always what's worked best for me. Because when I pump, I don't get a lot, and honestly, I don't like pumping, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, and then I guess once I get a few more things in, I will show you guys how I have that stuff set up. I will have like a little bedside nursery area set up for her with her, you know, her diapers and wipes and rash cream and all that stuff. I did already get the little caddy for it, but haven't gotten it quite set up yet. I'm excited to do that as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you are expecting a baby as well. I'd love to pray for you about that. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.